Hey, another great little holiday opportunity coming up, right? And in Australia, don't we all love a road trip, and wouldn't we be so lucky to have this continent to do it? But before you just load up and blaze off, just please let me remind you of a couple of really important tips for your vehicle. First of all, tyre pressures. Now that sounds obvious, right? But I can tell you, I've lived a life in motorsport and I know just how critical this is. So if you want really good fuel mileage, if you want really good tyre longevity, and most importantly, if you want your braking and steering to work efficiently and properly, you need correct tyre pressures. Look them up, get them right. Fluids. Now when we talk about fluids, both coolants, brake fluids importantly, and obviously your engine lubricants. Check all that out, make sure it's up to spec. And finally, load. Now when I talk about load, I talk about load distribution. So whether you're loading up the back of your SUV, putting something on the roof, maybe a camper trailer, loading up the ute, maybe a caravan, don't overload the tow ball or don't put weight in any one particular place. Try and spread that load. Very, very important. Now, finally, before you sort of get to departing, think about, has your vehicle got any of those arthritis symptoms we talk about? Maybe that's a vibration in the brake pedal, the steering, the vehicle's veering this way or that way, just not doing something right. Well, get to your automotive specialist first. Nolathane will have a solution for you. So get out there, enjoy your road trip, enjoy your break, and if you really want to enjoy it, here's my tip: get Keith Urban in your music system for the trip.